Hi, my lovely. So today we will check love messages from your soulmate, and I got this beautiful new deck as a gift from a friend. I wanted to do this reading for you from this deck. What I want you to do is to take a very deep breath and like, share, and subscribe to keep this energy going. I have thoroughly cleansed the cards, so we can start with your reading, and I'll shuffle this card right now. I want you to take a deep breath and let me be the one to channel your love messages. Okay, so I've got few cards here. Oh, so many cards here. I'll show you. Okay, me plus you is love. Oh, me minus you is sad. So, okay, they want to be with you to feel love. And right now, I think they are a little sad because you're not with them. And, okay, it was always you. Oh, okay, that's so cute. They are thinking about you. Love is a relationship where no one wear the pants. Okay, so they are thinking too much, huh? They are not just thinking to be with you, but they are thinking way too much. They are actually fantasizing about you. Okay. Let's get more. This is so cute. I just want to be your teddy bear. I think these two messages, they are very much related. About naughty times, but then be with you. This whole beer loving vibes. Okay, want to cuddle with you. Okay. Belong to you. I carry your heart inside my heart. You are my soulmate. I will always belong to you. They think that you are their soulmate. So they think that you are their soulmate and you guys belong together, which is a beautiful message. I mean, if you're thinking, I at the start I said that this is a message from your soulmate and we channeled it. This card is a sign that we channeled your soulmate energy and we tapped into your soulmate's energy. We have this message also. This is beautiful. I love my life because it gave me you. I love you because you are my life. I think you guys are dreaming about each other also. I think they are dreaming about you. There is some portal that opened, and maybe you are doing the soulmate calling affirmations. Maybe you're thinking about them a lot. There is some energy, that is that opened a portal, and they can actually feel your energy. Oh, are you guys seeing angel numbers too, like 1111, 222, 333? I think you guys are seeing 1111 a lot. And if they haven't visited your dreams, they will be. And I'm seeing that in this coming August or September, they will be visiting your dreams. You will have a downloading message from them via spirits or via someone else, just like you're getting one from this reading. So there will be some sort of messages from them that they are thinking about you, and they want to be with you, and there is a dream or some sign, something about them that you will feel. Okay, let's take more. Okay, let's keep going. We need more card spirits. I want you to channel my viewers' soulmate collective energy. Okay. You are my selfie queen. Either you like taking a lot of photographs, or they like taking a lot of photographs, or you guys together like taking a lot of photographs. So when you guys will be together now, you will visit places, and maybe they will buy you roses, or they will buy you something, a surprise gift, and then you will take this selfie to post it on your Insta or show it to your friends. And if you guys are not taking selfies now also, but by that time you will start taking a lot of selfies with them. Okay, so the next one we have is true love is tight hug after a fight. They don't want to fight you, but even if you guys do, they will truly love you. I think I am sensing you guys have undergone something. Maybe a betrayal, maybe a fight with someone, and you guys think, are you guys feel a little bit betrayed right now, and you're thinking, what if it happens in future? But this card is sign that it won't. Your soulmate is saying that it's okay, and they will hug you after the fight. They're not going to leave you. I choose you. See, this is one of a great sign from the universe. They choose you. My whole heart will be yours forever. Oh my god, you guys, you'll make me cry. My whole heart will be yours forever. This is a beautiful start to a lifelong love letter. So, if you guys are thinking, when is this going to happen? Very, very, very soon. Very soon. Very soon. I think in this year only. And they are almost there. They are almost there. You need to call them, right? So you need to call your soulmate to you. You need to call them towards you, and when they will come now, you'll feel that your whole heart will melt, and they're almost there. I will, in my description box I will link this soulmate affirmation video that will actually help you to call them towards you. And let's keep going. I need more cards for you because this is such a sweet message, and I feel so overwhelmed and loved. So I want to carry this energy. Okay. So this caught my eye. All of you. I think they are into this dad jokes, the funny, I mean, the pun indented kind of jokes, those punny humor, all of you. There is something with olives. Maybe you'll share a pizza or some drinks or some food with olive where you will bond. They will obviously love you. That's the most obvious message. I will always stick with you. Aww. They will always stick with you. So even if there are fights, even if someone is, humiliating you or something, the ups and downs, they will always stick with you. So cute. Let me kiss you. Oh, this is such a cute, lovey-dovey, that high school kind of love romance that I'm seeing. That love and romance which forever stays young kind of love and romance? That is one. People will look at you and will go so cute, and you guys won't be able to take hands off each other. You guys wanna kiss each other. Together, we make a perfect couple. Oh, a proposal is coming. A proposal is coming for you guys. They are going to, someone is coming, and they will propose. And you will be have this perfect couple type of thing. Like you guys look so good together that people won't be taking their eyes off you, and not just in terms of physical appearance but also in the energy form. You guys will complement each other, and people will be like, oh my god, this couple is such a perfect, we want to be them. This couple is so perfect that we want to be them. It's that beautiful message. I think I'll take 2 to 3 more cards because I wanted to wrap, but I don't want to wrap. I want to do this more. I think I love these kind of reading because some of you have such a good and relaxing energy in your energy realm right now, even if you feel the energy is heavy. But in your this energy realm, the energy feels very light. Okay, I'll just take one more. Okay, I got 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. Oh, so many, so many, so many. Okay, hug. My favorite place is inside your hug, and I love you. See, I think the hug message popped so much and they want to hug you. Therefore, you are my sunshine, my only sunshine. I think that's the song. Uh, you are their sunshine. I love you more. Now, shut up. No, you shut up. I love you more. So there will be fight of who more. So you know, you guys have such a lovey-dovey stuff going on that it's reminding me of those K dramas. Are you watching them? Comment below. Comment below. What are you guys doing? Do you think this message resonated, or just claim this message? Type 1111 and claim this message. And to keep your energy portal open, do subscribe. And this is again Pan. I love you very much. So I mean, here I want to tell you, if you meet them, just go and have a berry ice cream. The ice cream with berries in it, do that. You will notice something. And at that time, I want you come find this reading and comment down below, or either just save this reading so that you can comment and tell me. Okay. When you see a falling star tonight, make a wish. It will come true because I wished and I found you. Oh, they are almost there. They are almost there. And I think some of you already know them. They might be stalking you. So you know what? Do it. It's a message from universe. See a star, a falling star. I think falling star will not be that much possible, but a star, yes, of course. And make a wish, and this will definitely come true. Because I think they are wishing for you. They secretly wished for you, and they think in the energy form, they think that they are almost there, which is true. They are almost there. You guys will meet very soon. I'm 1000% sure. Cuddling with you would be perfect right now. They want to cuddle with you. Aww. This is so beautiful. They want to cuddle with you right now. Hmm. I don't know what else to say. This is such a beautiful message. They want to hug you, they want to kiss you, they want to be with you. They love you more than, even in the fights, they will stand up for you, they will stick with you. This is such a beautiful message. And this I think this came from a universe because you guys might be feeling little down. And since you guys are feeling little down, the universe wants to give you a nudge that they're almost there. Don't give up. Be happy, be relaxed, watch something, eat something, do good for yourself. So, let's take one more card and we will wrap it. Oh, this caught my eye. You turned me on. They are definitely fantasizing about you. You are in their head. Your energy is in their head. They love you. They want to be with you. So, drop your resistance. Drop your resistance. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. Relax, and I think you can use that soulmate affirmation. I will link my one from my channel in the description box, but feel free to use anyone, from the internet. You can use anybody's soulmate affirmation to call your soulmate towards you. And I will meet you in your next reading. So do subscribe, like, share to keep the energy portal open. And if you resonated and if you want to claim this reading, type 1111. Okay, bye bye. Love you.